Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.